Are you ready to bring some luck, prosperity, and harmony into your life in 2025? Well, it's the year of the wood snake, a year brimming with creativity, wisdom, and transformation. But did you know the right plants can supercharge these energies? Whether you're a Feng Shui enthusiast or just looking to refresh your space, stick around because I'm about to reveal the ultimate lucky plants to thrive alongside you this year. Let's dig in. First up, lucky bamboo. This plant is a powerhouse of positive energy. Its tall, slender stalks symbolize strength and resilience, echoing the adaptability of the wood snake. Place it in the southeast corner of your home to boost wealth and abundance, or in the east to nurture health and vitality. Jade plant, also called crassula, is your go-to for manifesting wealth. Its coin-shaped leaves reflect prosperity and are perfect for channeling that transformative energy of the snake. Position it in the southeast for wealth or the south to enhance fame and recognition. Next, we have the money tree, also known as pachira. Its braided trunk is a symbol of interconnectedness and balance, perfect for creating stability in 2025. Place this beauty in the southeast for financial growth or in the north to supercharge your career. Add red ribbons for an extra dose of lucky energy. The flamingo flower stands out with its bold colors and exotic charm. It's a symbol of elegance and steady positive energy. Place it in the south-facing direction to enhance growth opportunities and boost your career luck. This plant also improves air quality while reducing stress. Double the benefits. Basil isn't just for cooking. It's also a Feng Shui favorite. Known for attracting prosperity and protection, basil wards off negative energy. Keep a pot in your kitchen or garden to safeguard your home and invite vitality. Another must-have is rosemary. With its woody scent and sturdy form, it embodies the wisdom and grounded nature of the wood snake. Place it near your entryway or kitchen to invite calmness and mental clarity while protecting your home from negativity. Finally, the orchid. This elegant plant is a symbol of love, beauty, and balance. Orchids align perfectly with the graceful energy of the wood snake. Place them in the southwest to nurture romantic relationships or in the east for health and personal growth. Outdoor lucky plants for 2025. Looking to boost good vibes outside your home? These plants are perfect for your garden. The mandarin tree is a classic symbol of wealth and success. Its vibrant orange fruits radiate happiness and prosperity. Plant this in the southeast or southwest to amplify abundance and harmonious energy. Orange trees are another favorite for good luck. Their bright, cheerful energy aligns beautifully with the transformative nature of the wood snake. Place one in the southeast to enhance financial opportunities or in the north for career success. The Chinese rose isn't just gorgeous, it's also a symbol of love and prosperity. Perfect for the southwest to attract harmonious relationships or the south for fame and recognition. Lastly, the kumquat tree is a true gem. Its small golden fruits are symbols of wealth and longevity. Plant one in the east to promote health and well-being or in the southeast to build financial stability. So whether you're sprucing up your indoor space or creating a magical garden, these plants are your ultimate allies for 2025. The year of the wood snake invites wisdom, transformation, and steady growth. And these fortune-favoring plants can help you harness all that positive energy. Start planting your path to prosperity today.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.